Hello everyone and welcome to this second tutorial about Tinkercad. In fact, we have introduced in the first tutorial Arduino. We have talked about what is Arduino and who can use Arduino. Then we have talked about a website named Tinkercad, which is used for online simulation of Arduino. The thing that lets you start using and learning Arduino without having real components. By the way, you can find the link for our first tutorial in the description below. Okay, so in this tutorial, we're gonna continue using Tinkercad, but with another example or another circuit. Today, we're gonna try to create the street lights project using Arduino and Tinkercad. So, what is the street light project? The street light project is all about three LEDs, as you can see here, green, orange, and red. The green LED will light up first for 1 second, for instance, then it will be turned off. And then directly the orange LED will light up for 500 milliseconds, for instance, then it will turn it off, and directly the red LED, will light up for example, 2 seconds, and then we go back to and light up the orange LED for 500 millisecond, and then the green one for 1 second. So green, then orange, then red, then orange, then green, and so on. So to create this circuit, we're gonna need, as you can see, an Arduino board, Arduino Uno actually, and also a breadboard and three LEDs with three resistors, of course, for protection. So that's our project. Let's go now to the Tinkercad website and try to create it. So we're gonna create a new circuit. Okay, here we go. So as we have said that we're gonna need an Arduino Uno card. So I'm gonna take it and put it here. Okay, I'm gonna turn it. Okay, turn it from here, and here we go. Okay, so that's better. Then I will take this breadboard and put it here. Okay, so we take it and put it here. Okay, here we go. I take it twice, so I'm gonna delete one. Then I will need three LEDs. So I will take the first one, then the second one, then the third one. So this will be orange. I will change the color, and this will be green. Okay, so as we have talked in the first tutorial, that the LED has two legs. The shortest leg is the cathode, which is the negative side, and the taller leg is the anode, which is the positive leg. So I'm gonna take three resistors and link it to the negative leg of each LED. So we take this and put it here, and then this and put it here, and then this and put it here. Next, we're gonna link these three negative sides with the ground in our Arduino on. So I'm gonna put the cursor here and take it to the GND, which is the ground, and I'm gonna change the color to black. Next, I will link the positive side of each LED with a pin in our Arduino Uno. So I will take the red and link it with the pin number 13. Okay, here we go, and I'll change the color to red to be everything clear. and then the orange will be linked with the pin number 12. Okay, and here we go, and I'll change the color to orange, and the green will be linked to the pin number 11. Okay, here we go, and I'll keep the color green. So this is that's our circuit. So now let's write our code. So we go here to code and change this to text and continue. Okay, so here I will delete these instructions, this one and this 4 instruction here, cause they are for another program, which is the hello world that we talked about it in the first tutorial. Okay, here we're gonna start by creating 3 variables before the this function for simplifying the things. So I will write int, I will write int g for green, which is linked to the pin number 11, as you can see here. So int g equal to 11. Okay, and then int o equal to 12, which is orange and linked to the pin number 12. And finally int r equal to 13, which is red and it is linked to the pin number 13. Okay, then in the setup function we're gonna set our pin modes. So we write sorry, not here but here, pin mode, and we're gonna start with G, which is the pin number 11 and will be output must be uppercase because it's a keyword in Arduino programming language. Okay, then we write pin mode R or O, and it will be also output as we have seen in the first tutorial. So guys, if you are seeing us for the first time, I recommend you to watch this the first tutorial to be informed about what we have do in the first tutorial. Then finally we're gonna write pin mode and R, which is the pin number 13 and will be also output. Okay, then we go to the loop function and start lighting up the green LED. So we're gonna write the following: digital, right? Because as we have talked in the first tutorial, we use here digital pins, which are the pins number 13, 12, and 11. So the green, we're gonna start lighting the green G, and we're gonna give him the value high, which is 5 volt, and that's mean turn on. And then it will be turned on for 1 second. So we're gonna use the delay function and we're gonna give it 1000 millisecond, which is 1 second. And then it will be turned off. So we're gonna write digital, write G, and we give him the value low, and that means 0 volt. So this is the green LED. It turns on, stay for 1 second, and turns off. Then we go to the orange LED. So we're gonna copy these 3 instructions and paste them here, and we're gonna change this to O, and this to O, and this to 500 millisecond, as we have talked. Sorry, we don't write here millisecond. So after the green LED turns on and turns off, the orange LED will turn on, stay for 500 milliseconds, and then turns off. And after that, we go to the red LED. So we write here R, and here R, and the red LED will stay on for 2 seconds, which is 2000 milliseconds. And after the red, we go back to the orange. So we copy this and paste it here. And that's all. So our code is that the green LED will light up for 1 second and then turn off, and then directly the orange LED will light up for 500 milliseconds and turn off, and then the red LED will light up for 2 seconds and then turn off, and then go back to the orange LED, which will be turned on for 500 seconds and then turn off, and then go back to the green, and then orange, and then red, and then orange, and then green, and then so on. Okay, so that's our program. Now let's run our simulation and see the result. So I'm gonna close the code and hit the start simulation button. And here we go. So as you can see, the green lights up, then the orange, then the red, then the orange, then the green, and so on. So this was how you can create the streetlights project using Arduino and Tinkercad. We will see in next tutorials how we can create more projects using this amazing website. And if you are interested in using real components to create this example and many other things, let us know in the comments of this video to create more tutorials about Arduino. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If so, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be informed about our next tutorials.